going to see the Fury first. This is the land-based version of the Sea Fury built for the Fleet Air Arm of the Royal Navy. And this aircraft actually in the colours of the prototype Sea Fury Mark 10, hence the yellow P in a circle on the fuselage side.
There we go. Let me guess, you're left with no choice between them. It's okay. You're missing it.
Performance was fabulous. The Hurricanes we saw earlier had a maximum speed of around 340 miles an hour. Fast forward just a few years, and the Bristol Centaurus radial engine on the Sea Fury of some 2,500 horsepower powers this aircraft to a maximum of some 460 miles an hour. After World War II, the Sea Fury rapidly became the Fleet Air Arm's main carrier-borne fighter and fighter-bomber. They were flown in the Korean War at night. To Royal Navy Sea Fury FB.II, which in one of the few kills of a jet-engined aircraft by a piston-engined fighter of the Korean conflict, and the sole aerial victory achieved by the British forces during that war, shot down a MiG-15.